Hi there, hope you're doing good. So yeah, I got your question and the right one. Let me try and explain it. This is I already mentioned in my video that when you are going to run it for the first time, it's going to ask you for the authorization. So currently, I'm the owner of this file. If you will click on this green button and you will see, yeah, sorry, you are the owner of this file, obviously. Okay, so let me make a copy of it. I'll make a copy. I'm just showing you the process. So this is basically just a standard operating procedure, and I'll explain it what is actually asking for. It is not asking for the access of to the data, the files or the drive or anything. It's just asking that this file is setting on your drive, and if you want to make any changes in this file, I want to have the access so that I can make the file change in your drive, which is this one. Basically, the code the script is asking for only this file, so this will not have any access to any of the other files. So this will the app script will allow only to this access, sorry, to this file access. Okay, it's running, it's calculating. Let it open first so that I can show you what's happening. Okay, so this is another copy, and let me show you I am the owner of this file, and this is a very new, brand new copy. You can see I am the owner of this file, right? Data handling, and I'm going to run this for the first time. So the summary is that the app script is going to ask me if you want to make the changes on this file. You can see authorization required, app script attached to this document reads the permission. So it needs the permission to make the changes in this file automatically. See, data handling. Let me click on this one. It's not asking for the other file access. It's just asking to make changes on this file. I think the internet is a bit slow. Let me complete the process online. Yeah, okay. So no worries about it is unsafe with this and that thing. This is not, there is no problem with the safety. You can see I'm seeing exactly the same thing you are saying. I'll click on advanced. I need to do it again. So I'll click this and it will ask me for the authorization again. Continue. I'm so sorry for the internet. It's getting slow. I don't know for some reason. All of a sudden this happened. I just want to show you the exact whole process on the video so that you can make sure that there is no problem in it, and it that the app script is asking the permission to make the changes on this particular file, not asking access to any of your files, the other files. I'll click advanced and I'll click this, go to untitled project. So I'll make your name for the project. Okay, so this is only asking see, edit, create and delete all your Google Sheet spreadsheet. So basically it's referring to this particular file. This file cannot access any of the other file on your drive or anything else. This will only access to this file, and no one else has the access to make any changes on any of your file or drive. That's for sure. Now I am running it because the first time it was asking for the authorization. All done. So yeah, it has to ask to change the permission to ask the, it has to ask the permission to make the changes on this particular file which is lying on your drive. So yeah, that's the punchline. I hope this makes sense. So no worries about it. The whole world is using this, and I'm also working with thousands of clients, and you can use it. It's just a standard operating procedure from Google, and this is very annoying for us as well because whenever we make a copy of a file, and every time we make a copy, it asks again and again, again and again. So you can just go through it, and there is no harm in it. Thank you.